Hey guys, welcome. This is Katmendozart with Catology Art. My tutorial videos are short and straight to the point. Subscribe for more. In this video, we're going to be learning where do you create and sell your art prints online. All right, so this is how it's going to look when you have it in your profile, etc. This is how mine looks now. Ta-da, beautiful. So now let's create your own account. So first you're going to Google society6.com and you are going to choose to create a new account because you're creating your new account. So once you click create account, it's going to ask you your username, email, password. So you're going to do that. I won't be creating one because I already have one. Cool. So then once your new account is created, you're going to go to sign in and you're going to sign in to your new account. Once your new account is ready, this is all the ones that I already have in mind, but we are going to choose to go to sell or my shop. Just have some patience here with me, right? Haha. Okay, here we are. So once you're there, you're gonna go into where it says add a new artwork. And then you're gonna put a title, the title of your art, your painting. And then you're going to select file and you're going to upload the image of the art that you want. So we're going to be doing this one, Hawaiian Soul, because I haven't posted yet. So once you uploaded the main image, you're going to go to continue. You're going to click on yes, match your contact, no, saving, which is going to take you here to where you can do all the details. I always put painting. You can do any hashtags that you like to be easier to find that is specific artwork that you're doing or your hashtag for your own business. Then you're going to go into, description. If you want to add description, great, which I recommend. I'm just trying to be fast in here, save details. And the last thing is that I go to polish the artwork. When you push the artwork, this video is just to make the art prints, right? But you can go and turn on anything that is already available to turn on. Whatever else that is not, if you want to create all the other merchandise for that painting or any other painting, you have to make sure that you upload the correct dimensions, which is going to tell you there what dimensions are needed for depending on what you want to do. But here it is. I have successfully uploaded the Hawaiian Soul, and now it's in my shop. So now our prints can be ordered, and that's it. That is how simple it is. I'm going to upload another one here to just kind of show you how I can just upload another one. Here we go. What do I want to upload? I'm going to go into, don't select something that you don't want. Motherhood, here you go, motherhood. We're gonna add the name again, motherhood. Okay, continue. And whenever, if the dimensions of whatever you're uploading doesn't match for the art print, it will tell you there and you will have to update the dimensions. We're gonna do the same thing all over again. As you can see now, we have here more little options. I'm gonna go to polish artwork. Once I picked everything that I want to be on. And when I'm ready to have more time and edit the dimensions, I'm going to go and pick phone cases, etc. But this video is just for the art prints. Once all that, publish work, pam, 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 and finito. So then you can go into edit shop. You can edit your background, your main picture, how you want people to find yourself, your appearance, We're going to be changing mine because I haven't done it in a while. And here we go. We're going to choose my picture that I want in there. Here it is, my cartoon. But as you can see, it is this simple to do this. So if you already have a good picture of your painting that you want to sell for art prints, etc., just go ahead and create that here. Once that is done, changes are done, and everything is going to show up in your shop right here like that. How cool is that? And that is the tutorial of how to open a Society 6 account, and you can play with it. And again, the dimensions, if you want to create other stuff, are going to be here. But this is art prints right here. Don't forget that they will be taking a percentage of your sale, but they are doing all the other work besides you uploading it and promoting it. And I hope that was very helpful, guys. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next tutorial.